A major milestone for local nonprofit making sure children in crisis have the basics. Lowcountry Orphan Relief has just opened its 75th just-in-case closet, helping students in need get the essentials. Fox 24's Emma Engel shows us how the organization is changing lives, one care kit at a time.
I'm standing outside Lowcountry Orphan Relief in North Charleston, where this local nonprofit is helping children across South Carolina who are facing abuse, neglect, or abandonment. Through personalized care kits and just-in-case closets in Title I schools, the organization is providing essential items and a sense of stability to kids who need it most. Volunteers and staff here at Lowcountry Orphan Relief are working hard to change children's lives one care kit at a time. Executive Director at the nonprofit, Sarah Wallace, says when children are removed from their homes and placed into foster or kinship care, they often leave with nothing but the clothes on their backs.
They're not packing their belongings, or they're putting whatever they have into a trash bag. And so they're arriving into foster care with literally their shirt and their shorts. We've heard case managers tell us that toddlers may show up just in their diapers. And so that's what we do. We're like a fill gap.
A gap the nonprofit has been filling for more than 20 years. She says volunteers and staff here pack personalized care kits, each one filled with about 2 weeks worth of clothing, shoes, toiletries, and school supplies.
Everything they might need for that overnight for a couple of weeks, because they may go into a different placement before they find themselves a little more settled.
She says last year alone, more than 5,100 care kits were packed, thanks to nearly 4,000 volunteers. And the need remains high.
In South Carolina, there's approximately 3,000 children in foster care. So it's a lot of kids. Like I said, they're leaving their homes without anything. Kinship care is a whole nother subject, but that's, when children are living with their relatives. A lot of times grandparents are taking in children that they weren't prepared to take care of. They don't have anything either.
Beyond care kits, the nonprofit has also expanded into schools, installing 75 just-in-case closets inside Title I campuses, including its newest on James Island. The closets allow students to access clothing immediately without missing class. But for Wallace, the impact goes far beyond fabric.
What these children might go through, that gives you even more reason to want to just provide them with a shirt. I mean, it seems so simple, but for these kids who have been removed from their home or might be just in a situation of crisis, a shirt means love to them. It means identity. It means confidence. It's a game changer for them.
Lowcountry Orphan Relief is currently accepting clothing donations and volunteers. They're also hosting its Care Kits and Cocktails fundraiser on March 21st. Wallace says it's an awareness event so people can learn what they do. She says the goal is to cover the cost of 200 care kits. For more information, visit the organization's website at lowcountryorphanrelief.org. I'm Emma Engel, Fox 24 News Now.